Hello friends, welcome to Jhatpat Cooking, and today we are making aloo gobi, a tiffin friendly and a kid friendly dish. So let's get started. I took a pot with hot water, added some turmeric to it. Remember, we need a hot water pot. Now in this water, I am going to add the cauliflowers. This will give a very nice yellow tinge to the cauliflower. And I'll remove it. We are not going to cook the cauliflower in water. We are just going to dip it in hot water for a few seconds and remove it back. Now to the same water, I am going to add in the potatoes. And keep this potato until you get a one boil. Now here the water is boiling, so I'll go ahead and remove the potatoes. This will help the potato to cook slightly. Take a new pan, add some oil to it. Make sure you take a heavy bottom pan because we are just going to fry it. We are not going to put any water in it. So it will be easy. Add some cumin seed to it. Once cumin seeds start to splatter, go ahead and add in chopped onions. Mix it well. Now add in ginger, garlic and green chili paste. I'm using just one green chili over here as it's easy and I don't want to make it spicy. It's for kids. So now add in the aloo gobi or cauliflower and the potatoes. Mix it well and cover it and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Remember guys, here the flame will be from low to medium. After 10 minutes, the cauliflower and potato will be slightly cooked. Now add in the salt, coriander powder, red chili powder, some garam masala and turmeric. The chili powder I added is not the spicy one, it's just the color one, the Kashmiri red chili. Mix it well and close it. We are closing it for 5 seconds, for a minute or two, and then stirring it occasionally. So we need to do this process until and unless our potatoes are cooked. Again guys, the flame will be from low to medium, not on high or medium. Here our potatoes are cooked. Add some chopped cilantro to it. And now you can enjoy it with roti, naan, paratha. Please do like, subscribe and please share. Thank you for watching.